Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that has sparked curiosity and debate for decades: the Philadelphia experiment. Many claim that during World War II, the US Navy conducted a secret experiment that made a warship invisible and even transported it through time. But is there any truth to it? Here are 10 facts that prove why this theory is complete nonsense. 1. No evidence of the story. First off, where's the evidence? Despite all the hype and reports, there is no solid proof to back up the Philadelphia experiment. No documents, photos, or credible eyewitness accounts, nothing. 2. The origin of the legend. The Philadelphia experiment story originates from a man named Carl Allen, who in the 1950s claimed to have witnessed the experiment. But his story never aligned with official records from the military or any other trustworthy sources. 3. The alleged experiment is scientifically impossible. Conspiracy theorists claim the experiment made the ship invisible. However, even with modern technology and scientific principles, it's nearly impossible to make a ship invisible, let alone teleport it through time. The laws of physics completely contradict this theory. 4. The USS Eldridge wasn't even there. The ship supposedly used for the experiment, the USS Eldridge, wasn't even in Philadelphia at the time the experiment allegedly took place. It was actually stationed in a different port, which completely contradicts the entire story. 5. No official military documents. There are no official military documents confirming the Philadelphia experiment. No records, no protocols, no sign of any secret experiment conducted by the US Navy. Why? Because it never happened. 6. The invisible ship is a hoax. The concept of making an entire ship invisible seems straight out of science fiction and has no scientific basis. While it might be theoretically possible to use metamaterials to manipulate light and make an object appear invisible, the technical challenges are immense, and completely unrealistic for a ship. 7. Electronic malfunctions. Another alleged result of the experiment was that electronics on the ship malfunctioned. But such malfunctions are common in military tests, they happen all the time without time travel or invisible ships. It's not evidence of the experiment, it's just a typical technical glitch. 8. Myth and media hype. The story of the Philadelphia experiment has been amplified through movies, books, and documentaries. But these media outlets have taken the original, fairly harmless story and turned it into an outrageous legend with no basis in fact. 9. Contradictory eyewitness accounts. The few alleged witnesses to the experiment contradict each other in their stories. While some claim to have seen invisible ships and time travel, others talk about lights and teleported people. This shows that the whole story is more about speculation than reality. 10. There are much more rational explanations. The military tests conducted in the 1940s mainly focused on radar technology and other advanced equipment, but they never reached the dimensions of the Philadelphia experiment. Misreported stories, misunderstandings, and people's tendency to come up with extraordinary explanations for strange phenomena are far more likely than a massive conspiracy. Conclusion. The Philadelphia experiment is a prime example of how a story can be born from rumors, misinformation, and speculative reports. But when we look at the facts and the lack of evidence, it's clear, this conspiracy theory is just nonsense. There were no invisible ships, no time travel, and no secret military experiments. It's time to see this legend for what it really is, a myth. What do you think about the Philadelphia experiment? Have you heard the theory before? Let us know in the comments and tell us which video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another exciting video. See you next time.